Now, the last time I was doing the swinging arm, and the time before that I was doing the cushion arm, and since then I've been shopping. And one of the things you might notice is this is off a Bandit. This isn't off a GS500. But the thing is, the Bandit has 2 discs. So maybe this will save a lot of praying on the road. And here it is. Swing arm, that's the welded in patch. And this is the cushion arm, and it's kind of held together with the wrong bolts. For now it'll do. It's just a little bit wobbly, but we'll get the right bolts and that'll be fine. But let's flip this beast over and have a look at the other end. As well as having 2 discs on the front wheel, the front end of the Bandit has another advantage. It's the same bearings, same headstock bearings as the GS500. So Suzuki tend to use the same parts for different bikes, and the Bandit has been called a part spin bike. Well, in this case it's a good thing. Yeah. So this is the Bandit. This is the GS500, and where the bearing goes on here and here, same sizes. However, the Bandit is a lot longer. So either make a new one or modify this one down to here, cut off the top and rethread it for this, or make a new one from scratch. No, actually no, this is not the factory recommended method for removing this from this. You're supposed to press it that away. What did I do? I tried to press it out this away. Doesn't go. So ended up bending the hell out of this. But as I say, Bandit's reasonably